bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the neck, nigga, I thought you was a dub. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they would, yeah. We global now.
This one is going to be a different one. The numbers aren't really working for me. I like being honest with you guys. The numbers not working for me on YouTube. I've been contemplating on, am I gonna quit YouTube and do other stuff, or what am I gonna do to make my YouTube better? I'm really not a quitter, so I'm gonna see what I can do to make my YouTube better. So the first thing I need you to do, if you're new to this channel, I need you to subscribe, and I need you to hit that like button, and I need you to hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I post. Number 2, I need you to share this with your auntie, your uncle, and your baby cousin. Number 3, I need you to get ready to enjoy this video, okay? Because what I got for you in store today is something different, something new. This is the Casper slide part 2, you feel me? Like I was just saying in the other clip, you know what I'm saying? It's about to be a real eventful video, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking you around to my top 5 must-see spots in Atlanta, and I might just throw in a +1, okay? I might throw in, because this list was kind of hard to make, but it's some good choices, you know, so stay tuned for my list. Everything is gonna be in the description below on where to go with the address and stuff if you coming to visit Atlanta. I've been living in Atlanta for about 10 years. Like y'all know, I'm from Cleveland, but you know, Atlanta is like probably my second home, and I love it here. And there's so much stuff to do here, but a lot of people don't know where to go. So that's the purpose of this video. So when you do a visit Atlanta, you know, check this video out. You're gonna see a whole bunch of things that you probably didn't know about or didn't see. If you like this video, I got another one coming up. My top 5 food spots, that's coming up real soon. I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description below, because I'm probably gonna post these in the same week. So further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get it, let go. Hey y'all, I'm at my first destination. This is Atlantic Station, okay? Atlantic Station, they have a movie theater, they have a bowling alley, they have a lot of great places to eat. You know, this is a great place to come. You can shop here a little bit too. If you stand over here, you might as well get an Airbnb over here because they got a Publix right next door. You can get your groceries, you can cook everything. It's a great place. If you're here for a long time, they do screen on the green as well. If you're here in the wintertime, they also offer ice skating and other things of that nature for the times, the seasons. Atlantic Station is a must-stop shop. You also can get your nails done here if you need that done, and they have massages and everything. My favorite thing over here is the bowling alley. It is the bowling alley. That's the most important thing over here. So that's why Atlantic Station is one of the most exciting places to come when you have it. It's a must-come place. I'll see you at the next location.
Hell no. I gave that up 20 years ago. I told you. I thought about it. I said, what if I had a cooler with drinks and stuff? That's happening at the bed. I said, I got to give something to give. Because I ain't asking nothing.
You always out here, huh?
With me?
Yeah.
All the time.
All the time. Y'all come shop with us, man.
Oh, look at me.
Y'all probably wondering why we talking to him, but Aunt helped us find parking. Okay, parking on the street, parking is always the most important thing in Atlanta. You got to pay for parking. He gave us the most cheapest parking, so he gave us the cheapest price, so I threw him a couple $. Always listen to them when you in Atlanta. You got to listen to them. They know where to park at. Listen to them. Tell them come shop with Aunt.
David there. You best say, y'all.
All right, Aunt, I got to get back to work.
All right, y'all go ahead.
All right, Aunt. Aunt always out here.
I'm tired of that begging shit, so I was begging. Now invested me in a cooler. Now I ain't gotta beg no more.
I'm gonna bring my nigga a Gatorade cooler.
Facts.
I'm gonna come find him again.
Facts.
We gotta bring him a Gatorade cooler so he can get more ice and more shit in his coolers.
I'm bringing some stuff for his cooler.
We gotta get his hustle on. We gotta help him out.
We bring Honda to Magic City. Tell him get in the car.
Nah, we ain't doing that. But we did make it to our next destination, and where is that? We at Centennial Park. Shout out to Hunt. He did put us home. We got like a good hour and 45 minutes for like $2 something. A couple $. I didn't know we could park on the street for that cheap.
Oh, Park Mobile?
No,
Hey,
Park. Shout out, hey,
this video ain't
sponsored, but shout out to Park Mobile. Because if you in Atlanta, you know you got to pay for everything. But we're at Centennial Park. Okay, it might be a little windy. Hold on, let me get this. Might be a little windy, but we at Centennial Park right now, and we're about to show. I'm about to show you all the things you got to do when you come to Atlanta. And Centennial Park is one of the places you got to come. This is my number 2 spot, Centennial Park. All right, let's get it. Let's go. So before I show y'all all the things and stuff, hey, like a Dwight. I'm a Dwight fan. But one of the things that you must see is the Ferris wheel. Where's it? I ain't there yet. I ain't making it. So in Centennial Park, it's closed right now because of COVID. But it's a lot of stuff to do. One thing that's right across the street from Centennial Park is the Ferris wheel. You see what I'm saying? It's the Ferris wheel. It's the Ferris wheel. You gotta come get on the Ferris wheel. It's not even that much. I think it's like $5 to $10. It's called Skyview Atlanta. You can get it on Groupon, get a little coupon or something like that. It's a Waffle House across the street. You gotta come see it. There's some more stuff over here. It's the Georgia Aquarium. How can I say? Georgia Aquarium, Coca-Cola factory, the Phillips Arena. This is where the Atlanta Hawks play at as well. So it's a lot of stuff to do over here. But Centennial Park is a must come. I'm about to show y'all all the stuff that's over here. Stay tuned for my B-roll. Hey.
I don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the nigga. I thought you was a dub. I ain't got nowhere to go. I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah.
So now we at the Coca-Cola factory. Like I said before, it's a lot of things to do over here in Centennial Park. The Coca-Cola factory is actually one of those things. If you get a city pass, don't forget to use the promo code SHAW5. You know what I'm saying? It's in the description below. But the Coca-Cola factory is right over here. Like I said, Coca-Cola factory is somewhere where you can see all different products of Coke in the world. You know, Coke is Minute Maid, Sprite, you know what I'm saying? Not anything, not Pepsi, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? Anything not Pepsi is Coke. Okay, but Coca-Cola is one of the places you gotta go to in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, we have the information booth. You know what I'm saying? You gotta come to the world of Coke, okay? At the end of this tour, it's probably my favorite. They give you a Coke. They give you something to drink, you know what I'm saying? You get to taste so many different flavors of Coke around the world. Also, when we keep walking, you see over there, that's the Georgia Aquarium. Hey, if you want to see more of the Georgia Aquarium and inside and what's going on in there, go check out my last vlog. It's in the description below. The Georgia Aquarium is probably the second biggest aquarium, I think they said. The biggest one is in Memphis. It's either Memphis or somewhere else, but that doesn't matter. We're in Georgia. So when you come to Atlanta, Georgia Aquarium is a must try. You gotta make it on time. Come before 3. Schedule your thing before 3 so you can see the seals. You can see like the dolphin show and all that stuff. It's great. It's worth your money. And like I said, all this is included in the city pass. Also, if you want to teach your kids something, or if you want to learn something yourself about your culture, I'm African American. So you want to go to the Center for Civil and Human Rights. You definitely want to check that out. It's over there. You got to check it out. Okay, it's a must-see event. It's really good. This is my Centennial Park. This is my second must thing to do in Atlanta. All right, guys, I almost forgot this. One of the most newer things that we have here. So like we said, we are one of the homes of a lot of things in Atlanta, like Chick-fil-A and all that stuff. But the Football Hall of Fame is actually right across the street. So in the City Pass, you do get that as well. And you get to go to the Atlanta Zoo as well. It's not over here in this area, but it's included in the City Pass. Another thing, enjoy this B-roll. Boop. All right, y'all, we're at our third place, and like it says right there, boo-boo-da-boo, it's Pond City Market, all right? And Pond City Market is a good place. It's one of my favorite places. I'm pretty sure if you watch my channel, you've been seeing it in plenty of my vlogs. But the reason I love it so much, it is a food hall. It's an international food hall. They have a lot of different independently owned food places to go. But one of my favorite things about it is, other than the food, is the rooftop. The rooftop is exclusive. It's something you can do for date night. It's something you can go and, how can I say, just have a great time and a great vibe. I'm about to show you guys that now. Me personally, I know a lot of good people in good places. So I get to go to the rooftop for free until the end of the year. Well, it's been like 2 years actually, and it's a black card. Where's my black card? All right, guys. Like I was saying, we about to go to the roof. I got my exclusive roof pass. You know, if you want to get one of these, just hit the description below. I'll show you how to get one. Follow me on Instagram. I'll show you how to get one. I know.
I like being Mike friend.
You know what I'm saying? We get to go everywhere for free. But at the same time, hey man, can I go? See, and that's it. You just show him the pass, and he just gives me 2 tickets. Thanks, man. And he gives me 2 tickets. Thank you, man. He gives me 2 tickets. Yeah, me and Dope, you good? Here you go. You go to the roof. That's it, that's it. All right, so this is Skyline Park. Like I was saying, we just show them the card. We get to go up here for free as many times as we want throughout the year. It's pretty cool. Oh shit, and look who I found, this dope DJ. Oh shit, what's up, man? All right, y'all, we now at Skyline Park. I wanted to come up here at the nighttime because you see how great it looks? It looks fucking amazing. Okay, it looks super fucking amazing. All right, y'all, I'm going to probably the highest point of here. They also have some good seating up here. So if you ever with somebody, you can just come over here, relax. Let me show you that seating. Hold on. So like I was saying, they got some good seating out here. You know, I know these chairs probably look a little dusty and stuff, but you come out here with your little boo while you waiting and see all of downtown Atlanta and everything like that. You know what I'm saying, this is a beautiful view. You can't buy this. What's up, y'all? I'm back here again. This is our next location. We're here at the Battery, home of the Atlanta Braves. You know, the best part about the Battery is you can drink outside, okay? There's not a lot of places here in Atlanta where you can just drink openly and walk around with your drink and do this and do that with your food and stuff like that. But the alcohol is crazy. We got a Fat Tuesdays down there. There's a whole bunch of shopping plazas here. And also, you can catch the Braves game. Kind of show them over there. Catch the Braves game. They got an H&F burger. Like I told Giant Punch, that's one of my favorite spots. But you can watch it out here if you can't make it and record it on there. There's a lot of stuff to do over here. They got Shaq's Club over there. It's it's like a bowling alley. It's like Punch Bowl Social. Well, it's a lot of stuff you can do over here. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of this B-roll, and y'all enjoy this B-roll. Let's get it. Ooh.
Like, comment, and subscribe.